Every year, millions of people across the world celebrate International Yoga Day on June 21st. But have you ever wondered why this particular date was chosen? Hidden behind it lies a fascinating story of science, nature, and ancient wisdom. Why June 21st? Why not June 20th or June 22nd? The answer is not random. It begins with something most people never notice: a tiny tilt in our planet that controls seasons and shapes life on Earth. Earth does not stand perfectly upright. It is tilted by about 23.5 degrees on its axis, and this small tilt is responsible for one of the most remarkable events of the year. As Earth revolves around the Sun, its tilt causes different parts of the planet to receive varying amounts of sunlight. This beautiful cosmic arrangement creates the changing seasons that we experience every year. Around June 21st, the Northern Hemisphere tilts most directly toward the Sun's sunlight, falls almost vertically over the Tropic of Cancer, creating the longest day and shortest night of the year. This event is known as the Summer Solstice. But at the exact same moment, the Southern Hemisphere experiences the opposite. While the North enjoys summer, the South enters winter. The same Earth, the same Sun, yet two completely different seasons unfolding together. But nature loves balance. 6 months later, around December 21st, everything reverses. Now the Southern Hemisphere tilts toward the Sun and experiences its longest day, while the Northern Hemisphere enters winter and sees its shortest day. Throughout the year, our planet follows a beautiful cosmic rhythm. 4 moments stand out: the March equinox, the June solstice, the September equinox, and the December solstice. Together, they form the great cycle that governs life on Earth. Many people confuse solstices with equinoxes, but they are very different. Solstices occur when one hemisphere is tilted most toward or away from the Sun. Equinoxes happen when neither hemisphere is tilted toward the Sun, creating balance. Contrary to popular belief, June 21st is not the day when day and night are equal. Equal day and night occur twice each year, around March and September, during the equinoxes, when sunlight is distributed almost equally across the globe. Near the Arctic Circle, something extraordinary happens around June 21st. In places like Norway and Alaska, the sun barely sets. Sometimes it remains visible for 24 hours. This magical phenomenon is known as the midnight sun. When India proposed International Yoga Day to the United Nations in 2014, the world responded with overwhelming support. 177 countries joined as co-sponsors, making it one of the most widely supported resolutions in UN history. June 21st was chosen because it symbolizes light, energy, harmony, and the interconnectedness of life. It is a day shared by the entire planet and represents humanity's deep relationship with nature and the cosmos. According to ancient yogic traditions, this period marks the beginning of the transmission of yogic knowledge from Adiyogi to the Saptarishis, the 7 great sages. It reflects humanity's age-old attempt to understand life by observing nature itself. Modern astronomy explains these events through Earth's tilt and orbital motion. Ancient traditions described them through symbols and philosophy. Though they speak different languages, both point toward the same truth, that we are deeply connected to the universe. Perhaps this is the deeper message of yoga: balance between activity and rest, between body and mind, between the material and the spiritual. Just as nature seeks harmony, so do we. The earth never stops rotating. Seasons never stop changing. The sun never stops shining. In the same way, life is not about standing still, but about moving in harmony with the rhythms of existence. International Yoga Day is much more than a day of exercise. It is a reminder that we are part of something far greater, a living cosmos governed by balance, rhythm, and connection. And perhaps, the journey of yoga is simply the journey of discovering the universe within ourselves. International Yoga Day, honoring the cosmos within us.